This is DJI Air 3, and today I'll show how you can perform the compass calibration on this drone. To start, you will need to open the camera view of the DJI Fly app. Then at the top right corner, tap at those three dots, launch settings. Then select the safety section, scroll down, look for the compass normal, or normal, whatever, line or section, whatever. Then press the calibrate option in front of it, hit the start button. First, rotate your drone 360 degrees horizontally like that. For good measure, I'll do it one more time to be extra sure that this action has been registered by the app. Yep, it has been. So now you should position your drone like that and rotate it 360 degrees horizontally or vertically this time, I mean. I'll also do that a few times for good measure. And yeah, as you can see, the calibration went successfully, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.